Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add text to your videos in HitFilm Express. So let's have a look now. Open HitFilm Express and import your footage by clicking Import in the Media panel or dragging your video files directly into the software. To add text, go to the top menu and select the Text tool or press T on your keyboard. Click on your video preview where you want the text to appear. Once you have clicked, a text box will appear. Type in your desired text. You can customize the font size, color, and alignment using the text panel. To reposition the text, use the selection tool and drag the text box to the desired location on the video preview. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.